I'm going to start by talking a little bit about the definition of the term, but our motto is we are connecting haulers to dollars. So first and foremost, what's a hauler? Our vocabulary term for hauler is anybody who creates web videos, a video blogger who creates a video about a product. So who are these haulers? I think anybody who's got kids out there have heard of haulers. Who are they? Well, I think what a hauler really is, it's the evolution of social media. And what happened with social media was everybody got a fan base, which is kind of cool. And if you're kind of a cool kid, or if you're an internet celebrity, or if you were the high school cheerleader, you were the popular girl in school, you're an influencer, you're a smart guy who wants to talk about a tablet or a new phone, you got an audience. And all of a sudden, with social media, you're a celebrity to your audience, which is very cool. So this is what has happened over the last 2 or 3 years. This holosphere, we've created this kind of new internet celebrity. So what do? What we do is we take these haulers and we connect them with product companies and advertisers. We're also selling advertising around these channels. These internet celebrities, these video bloggers, have created channels about what they like to blog about. Who are we? We are 3 successful internet media entrepreneurs. So what's the problem? The problem out there is that there's no way to transact any business. And this is a marketplace concept, right? So we've got these 800 super haulers. We've got hundreds of thousands of video bloggers out there, but there's no marketplace. There's no place to call these people up. What's interesting is there's not even a lot of them. You'd think that YouTube dominates the whole marketplace, but actually what's evolving is Facebook and Instagram and Pinterest. I mean, these are the new video destinations for the web. It's not just YouTube. YouTube doesn't have a program like this. What YouTube tries to do is they try to do a pro rata. They give you a little slice of some of the pre-roll advertising. It's very incremental and it's very marginal. They're not trying to connect you with brands. They're not trying to connect you with products. So what's our solution? A hauler marketplace. Very, very simple. This is a software as a service business. Step 1, create a profile. We've got our first 800 super haulers. Just get them, sign them up. Step 2, get offers. Maybe before you create a video, you'd like to get offers for some product companies. That may help you generate some ideas. What does the revenue look like out there for maybe a product that we can introduce you to? Step 3, upload your video. And step 4, publish. What we'll do is we'll publish that to all your social media sites as well as YouTube. And again, once we control that video, you upload it to us first, we can distribute that content to multiple points, not just your social media sites, but potentially OTT cable boxes, Apple TV, Roku, as well as mobile platforms. Revenue, subscription fees, transaction fees, e-commerce fees, advertising. Market dynamics, as you can tell, traditional TV viewing is dying. This is actually a statistic from May of 11 to May of 12, where you can actually see that it's about a 10% drop in TV viewing in all day parts. Digital video viewership is going to the web, growing dramatically. And this is another interesting statistic. 75% of all viewers, 75% of all users on the internet right now are watching video. Over 3/4 of anybody on the internet watch video. Market size, $6 billion in online advertising, video advertising revenue in the United States and growing dramatically, as you can see. Our scaling strategy is simple. Get our first 800 haulers signed up to our e-commerce platform, our video platform, and then go global. Sign up more people in more marketplaces. Why us? We have great relationships with existing advertisers, product companies, and talent agencies.